Hi, I'm Richard from ITS TV and this is the Dewalt DCD795. It's a brushless, cordless 18 volt lithium-ion combi drill. It's part of the XR lithium-ion range, so if you've got any of the Dewalt XR lithium-ion batteries, they will be compatible from 1.5 amp hour all the way up to 5 amp hour, and even the flex volt batteries are compatible with this drill. As I said, it has got a brushless motor, so you know what that means by now. All the new cordless tools are coming out with brushless motors. It means we don't have any carbon brushes. It means in there we don't have any sort of touching and wearing parts, so your motor lasts longer, you get more out of your battery and more out of your motor, and there's no wearing, tearing and maintenance costs. In terms of the drill itself, not only is it brushless, so you'll have increased run time, but also this can achieve up to 60 Newton meters of torque, so that's when you're screw driving, and that's really decent for a combi drill in this class. This is sort of your general duty range. It's not the high-end heavy duty stuff with the side handle, but also certainly not a DIY low-end model. It's a real jack of all trades, this, with a fantastic runtime because of the motor. 60 Newton meters of torque will do the vast majority of the screw driving applications that you're going to want from a combi drill, much more than that, and then you're looking at an impact driver. In terms of its screw driving, we've got 14 different torque settings to pick from, and obviously a 2-speed gearbox as is standard now on most combi drills, so loads of different torque settings depending on what fixings you're using and what material. As it's a combi drill, we have of course got our rotary drilling action mode and our hammer mode for when we're drilling into brick masonry of any sort. I've already said it's got a brushless motor, so it's highly efficient. Other little keen things to notice are the belt clip, the magnetic bit holder, and the LED work light, which is at the bottom here on a lot of these Dewalts, particularly the combi drills. Now that's really handy because particularly if you're working in the winter or you're working somewhere where you're going to be wearing nice big gloves, sometimes your gloves cover up the job lights when they're up here underneath the chuck. So this really nicely illuminates the area from beneath the handle. It's got a full metal 13mm keyless chuck, so that's nice and heavy duty, nice and standard. You're not going to break that quickly. So this particular set in front of me is the Dewalt DCD795 P2. So that indicates that you get the DCD795 combi drill, along with two 5 amp hour lithium-ion batteries, the new design, with of course the battery state indicator on the back. And you also get the Dewalt fast charger for the batteries and a T-stack style carry case. That's the DCD795 P2 from Dewalt, available now at ITS.